Guess who? This is my first time in Disney California adventure. Oh, hi everyone. I know you guys miss me. This is Wynonna Woodpecker here. I just thought I came back. Oh, guess what? Good thing I let the magic plastic surgery to change my face back. And of course, I got my new wavy hair, a haircut. Wow, this music is jolly than I thought. So, what's wrong with listening to the trolley with beautiful red colors? Well, red is my favorite colors, you know? Wait, who goes there? What do you know? Minnie Mouse there. Time for me to go meet her. Hi. Why, howdy do, Minnie Mouse. My name's Wynonna Woodpecker. And how was your holiday? I'm pretty good too. Say, do you like hot cocoa? Hot cocoa is my favorite. Have a great day, Minnie. Gotta fly. See ya.
Ponte aquí, papi.
See ya. Hello?
Hello.
Oh.
You look so festive today.
Festive?
Very
Well,
wonderful.
that's what I call it, festive.
Yes. Wonderful. I love that jacket you have on
And
today.
you too. And I'm surprised you got some pretty eyelids like me.
Oh, very good. You do look very beautiful today. Perhaps maybe you could put some ice crystals on too, like.
Oh, it's okay. I'm from the woods. And my name's Wynonna Woodpecker.
Nice to meet you. Very good. Does the cold bother you a little bit?
Not a little.
Oh, no.
In winter, I hibernate with the woodpeckers since the truth is I'm a half human and half woodpecker. I'm a harpy, a mythical creature. You heard of harpies? That's a mythical creature, birds with the head of humans?
I haven't heard of that.
That's what I am. I just feel like conceal, don't feel, because I can't let anyone know who I am, because I'm a freak.
I concealed things for a long time too, but I think the important thing is to just be yourself. And of course, the people around you who love you will treat you for who you are.
Maybe you're right.
I think so. Would you like to take a portrait?
It's a
together?
video.
Yes. Hi there. Would you like to take a portrait though?
Oh, I'm just careful with your dress.
Oh, that's very kind of you. Very considerate. Thank you.
Hey.
It was nice to see you today.
You too, Elsa. Have a good day. Handshake?
Handshake? Of course. Very regal. Nice to see you.
Goodbye. Whew, that was nice meeting Elsa. She may be like shy looking from the start, but she seems calm and nice and regal and very mature. Oh, if you're eavesdropping me about my coat, I'm just wearing the coat to hide myself who I am. See my coat I'm wearing? Yep, I'm wearing the coat to hide my body. You know, white feather fur and stuff, white neck feathers. Oh, you know, kind of exposed it a bit. So like, I can't let anyone know who I am under that coat. Only the Three Caballeros only. Once I get to the Three Caballeros, then I could take my coat off and the scarf off, just to show myself who I am. You know, reveal my true identity is I'm a harpy. not some ordinary human girl. Matter of fact, I am trying to blending in with the humans so I can feel more human. After all, I am a human-headed bird, a woodpecker harpy. Well, what do you know? Goofy's there. Boy, oh boy, he looks so fantastic. Ooh, and he's so green as my uncle's eyes. What uncle am I talking about? I'm talking about my uncle, Woody Woodpecker. He has green eyes too. Well, here it goes. Well, howdy do, Goofy. My name's Wynonna Woodpecker. And how are you doing? Woo! I'm fantastic. I'm feeling all I'm just like my Uncle Woody Woodpecker. Woody Woodpecker is my uncle. The more I feel happy, and the more I go Of course, I am red-haired as my uncle. I just got this from my dad. My dad's a woodpecker and my mom's a human. That's what makes me a half bird and a half human. Okay, get ready for the pose.
Perfect.
That's fun posing with you. Well, it was so nice talking with you. Well, gotta fly. See ya.
Para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
We're finally here, everybody. Now then, any minute the Three Caballeros is gonna be here. Any minute. First, now I gotta take my scarf off. Oh, steady. Okay. Oh, all right, Wynonna. Okay, easy, easy. Now I can attach to my neck feathers. Hopefully none of them will suspect who I am. As long as I keep my coat on, none of them will suspect who I am. That's better. I don't know why I feel so nervous, but it's mostly... Oh, if you realize I've been alone for too long, and guess what? My new date I'm bound to meet. Panchito Gonzalez, yeah. Panchito Gonzalez. He's the third of the Three Caballeros. Panchito. He is my Prince Charming of Mexico. here's what I bring today. Ta-da! Here it is. You can see I draw all these pictures. And of course the font too. It's not easy to draw and coloring the font like that. Sketching. I can wait till Three Caballeros come and see that drawing. And by the time I'm next, I'm gonna get ready to take off my coat. Don't worry, it's not gonna be all the buttons. Like this, see? Just a little slip in. See? See what I mean? That's the one I'm hiding under my coat so I can, feel more human and blend in. Act like a human. Don't get too much in a birdie behavior. Otherwise, I'll give away my identity as a harpy. A woodpecker harpy. I hope my dear handsome Panchito, my Prince Charming of Mexico, will come here. I wish I could ask him for a hug, autograph, and a special true love's kiss. A Prince Charming kiss. Oh, I better get ready for the Three Caballeros. Hang on tight, Three Caballeros, here I come. Prepare to meet the real woodpecker me. Okay, I got the pen and the board ready. I better put my scarf in it. And a bag. Oopsie, sorry. Come on, let's hurry. Oh, what lovely feathers! Ladies and gentlemen, here are the legendary Three Caballeros! Hi, Adana. Hi, Jose. Oh, and my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico. What do you know? We're red-headed. Oh, and I made this picture for all three of you. Do you like autographs? Thank you. Oh, so how do you feel if you and I can date and talk about? Oh, and call me Wynonna Woodpecker. Wow. I love you, Panchito. You're my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico. Oh, you know the song called We're Three Caballeros, Three Fun Caballeros. They say we are birds of the feather. We sing and we samba, we sound, ay caramba. Bella, no, aha! I hope you remember that song, the Three Caballeros. How you like the dance? Oh, say, you got the colors matching me. And oh, that's nothing. I got a tail too. I got a tail. And you got a tail too, Jose. I got a tail.
Alright.
Sorry, Woodpecker happened.
Smile. Yay. Cheese. Okay.
Wonderful.
Hi.
Thank
Is
you.
it still?
Have a good one, my dear.
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
Adios, Panchito.
Have a good one.
I love you. Oh, goodbye, Donald. Goodbye, Jose. Oh, adios.
Have a wonderful day.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing? It's Nick Wilde from Zootopia. Huh. Good thing I have to keep my coat on. As long as he doesn't find out I'm a half bird. I hear foxes eat birds. Well, hopefully he's not gonna eat me, as long as he doesn't know who I am in this coat. The coat really hides my identity. Let's go meet him. Come on.
Okay.
I heard all about you, and you promoted to a police officer. Yes, sirree. Why, oh boy. Say, can I have your autograph, please? Thank you.
Oh, ma'am. Remember my friend? He can't sign. Remember my friend? He hasn't been able to sign. Only ZPD official documents.
Oh, right. Anyway, great to meet you. Oh, and you don't mind if I put them over there?
Of course.
Say, nice office dogs right there. I'll pay you like $5. Right after the phone.
Wow, it's an awfully good deal. Hi, my friend.
Hey then, bring it on, here I come.
Perfect.
Thank you. I gotta fly. See ya. Oh boy, I can't wait to see the Viva Navidad. Get it? You know, Viva Navidad, like the sign said over there. See, Viva Navidad, that's what it says.
You just have to not go crazy.
Any minute now, I can't wait to see the famous Three Caballeros, and of course, my handsomest Panchito, my love, my handsomest love of all time. Get ready! I'm excited, and that's gonna be my complimentary.
Do you hear that? That music, Donald!
That means it is time for the fiesta! Sí, Viva Navidad! We ask the Three Caballeros!
Let's start the party! time of year.
Me too. It is the spirit of the holidays, just like Navidad in Mexico. Ay, ay, ay! You hear that? Now that warms my heart. Come on, Manon, dance with us.
Wow, Panchito has a handsome wife!
Hey, let's see. Oh,
Go, Panchito!
That was amazing! And now I have a gift for all of you!
what is it, Jose?
The samba from Brazil!
Ooh, I like it! Yes, my friends, no matter how you celebrate during this special season, may the joy and spirit of Viva Navidad be in your hearts throughout the year. Happy holidays, amigos!
Adios, Great Copperland! I'll see you after the sun! I'll see you again for a photo shoot! Adios! Goodbye! Feliz Navidad! Oh, there's Mickey and Minnie! Here they are! It's the real Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse! Huh. Good thing I could show myself who I am. I feel like I cannot hide it anymore. After all, they are like the king and queen of Disneyland. They're like the top rulers. You know, rulers of Disneyland. That's why they're the host, and they're like king and queen. Well, there goes nothing about showing who I am to Mickey and Minnie. I hope they still love me no matter what I look like. Human, birdie, or a hybrid. Here goes. Hi, Mickey. Hi, Minnie. I saw you on the parade and you were wonderful. Fantastico. Oh, anyway, my name's Wynonna Woodpecker. I am so happy to meet you.
All right, we're going to go ahead and take a picture.
Wait, are you ready for the photo shoot?
We're going to go ahead and get a picture.
Okay.
Get a picture.
Okay,
All
then.
right, guys.
Ready?
On the count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Have a great day. Enjoy.
Bye.
Go ahead.
I'm Wynonna.
Oh, your name's Wynonna?
Wynonna.
Wynonna.
It's nice to meet you.
Oh, nice. Great to see you today.
Oh, that's my father, and that's my mother. And there's me.
And that's you? Oh, that's so amazing.
That's how I'm a half bird and half human. I'm a harpy, a mythical creature.
I like your colorful hair. Maybe that's part of your magical gift.
Thanks.
Great to see you today, my friend. Have an amazing rest of
You
your
too.
day, okay? Adios.
Adios. Bye. Hi! I saw you up that stage. I want to say it's congratulations, you three. I'm proud of you. Okay, and Panchito, every time I hear you talk, you sound very handsome. It charms my heart. Oh, and of course, you're strong, Donald. And Jose, you did a very salsa time. You know, cha-cha-cha. Okay, before we hug, let's get ready for the pose first. It's over there.
Perfect. Wonderful.
seeing you again. Don't forget Panchito.
Oh, and I love you too, Panchito.
You silly dog.
I love you, Panchito. Panchito? Oh, don't worry, Donna. You deserve a blow kiss too. Oh, I won't tell Daisy. She'll get jealous. I won't tell Daisy. Pinky promise. I promise I will never tell Daisy about that I blow kiss. Think of it as a good night kiss.
Alright.
Goodbye.
Bye, it was lovely seeing you.
Oh, see you later. Oh, I gotta fly. Gotta fly. This is the best fiesta day ever. I'm so glad I finally make my day mission accomplished. And of course, I know I meet the Caballeros the second time, but I just want to show them my congratulations. And the reward to them is my hug. I'm so glad I get to hug the Three Caballeros. And of course, especially my handsome Panchito. Look at Panchito go. He's dancing. He's dancing. I love when he does that. Sweet, sweet Panchito. A handsome, charming one. You know something? I'm starting to feel so happy and well welcomed into the Disney people's open arms. Ever since they accept me just the way I am, and they never find me as a freak after all. Instead, they just welcome me into the open arms no matter what I look like. You know something? I think I don't have to hide my woodpecker identity anymore, my harpy identity. However, to strangers and bystanders, I have to keep my coat on. Every time I'm done meeting the Disney characters, I have to keep putting back my coat on. So it's like hide myself from the strangers and bystanders. You know, my dad says, stranger danger. Especially, it could be Buzz Buzzer anywhere. So if the Three Caballeros see me get attacked or chased by Buzz Buzzard, I hope they can come to rescue me. Of course, Panchito's got a rope, a cowboy rope. He's some sort of Mexican cowboy, and I love him. That's why he's my Prince Charming of Mexico. And that's why he's my dearest hero. Look at him. Ah! It's a Panchito collection! Are you seeing? Sorry, I screamed because I have no idea this girl's got Panchito collections. She's a fan like me. I bet she and I could be great friends, but never mind. I would let her be. I can't believe I'm so jealous about that girl, but I wish I could have a Panchito doll so I can treasure forever. And of course, never forget my dearest, handsome love, my handsomest Prince Charming of Mexico, Panchito. You know, it's been fun. Let's go. Let's get out of here before anyone happens, or anything happens. Let's go, but first I have to say goodbye to the Three Caballeros. Who knows when they're gonna be done? Look at them dance. I'm impressed that this girl is a Donald Duck fan. But where's the Jose fan? At least that girl looks like a Panchito fangirl. Gosh, looks like Panchito deserves a lot of fangirls. So is Jose, not just Donald all the time. I love to dance with Jose, but I could salsa with him, but mostly I want to dance with Panchito. He's my lover, my true lover. Yep, I really hate to admit, I'm starting to think that Panchito is my true love. He's the only love I got right now, and now I'm not so lonely anymore. I'm not alone anymore. Hey, and you know what? Who knows my Uncle Woody Woodpecker and my Papa Wilfred, if they meet Panchito at the Taco Bell, once I invite Panchito to date with me in Taco Bell, I bet my dad and Uncle Woody will be approve of him, and they'll be excited to meet him. After all, he has some red head feathers on his head, so that makes him like the red-headed, like me and my family, my woodpecker family. Hey! Sorry, I thought I saw Panchito dancing. He shakes his tail feather like me. He's a great dancer. I love when Panchito does the cha-cha-cha. Like Jose. See, Jose can teach me the cha-cha-cha and salsa dance. This is my first time hugging Jose. Of course, I like him too. He's a charming friend. But I want Panchito as my new boyfriend and my date. Yep, I gotta say, Panchito is my new boyfriend. I'm so happy I get to have Panchito as my new date and my new boyfriend to get. You know, gosh, this makes me want a salsa. Say, it was so much fun. Say, let's get a full shoot. Come on. What do you know? Daisy Duck here. I'm so lucky I'm gonna get to meet her. You know something? If I'm gonna show myself as a bird, then birdies and ducks can meet each other and share their friendship alike. Let's go! Why, hello there, Daisy Duck! I'm so happy to meet a girl birdie like you. I'm a birdie too. You can see I got a tail. So I'm a half bird and half human. I'm a human-headed bird, a harpy. Okay, now time for the tea. Smile. Huggies? Thank you so much, Ozzy. I just thought birdies can share friendship alike. We're birds after all. You know, flock of birds. Like, caw, caw. I speak for the birds, so I speak birds. Like, coo, coo, or quack, 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 quack. I speak to ducks too. That's why I speak for the birds. That's what makes, as a half bird, I can understand what birds say. All right, have a good time. Goodbye, Daisy. Guys, I don't know what to say, making me laugh. He may be the charming, handsome parrot, but Panchito is my type. But I don't mind dancing with Jose, but I could, as long as we share each other's turns, I could dance with Jose, Donna, and Panchito. You know, sharing dancing turns. I wonder what that's. Go, Panchito, go! Great dancing and cha-cha-cha. Wow, it looks like it's time for the Three Caballeros home. And I couldn't have fun without y'all. Adios, amigos and amigas. See you real soon.
And remember everyone, the happiness never ends. Have a good time.